Hi, scholars! This is Mrs. A, and we are continuing on exploring the beautiful Northeast. So, you have watched the videos about Niagara Falls and the Appalachian Mountains. Aren't those landforms mesmerizing? Absolutely, they are. Today, we will read and learn about the Northeast coastline. Please follow along as I read the text. The Northeast coastline. The Northeast region's coastline differs greatly from place to place. All but two of the Northeast states, Pennsylvania and Vermont, share their borders with the Atlantic Ocean. From the rocky coast of Maine to Chesapeake Bay, which is bordered by Maryland and Virginia, the Northeast coastline is one of the most recognized in the world. Maine is known for its beautiful shore on the Atlantic Ocean. The rocky coast is dotted with lighthouses, towers with bright lights that shine far out over the water to guide ships. Along the Maine coastline is Acadia National Park, the first U.S. national park east of the Mississippi River. Huge rocks and cliffs make the Maine coastline a favorite of photographers and painters. Cape Cod is one of Massachusetts' most interesting features. Cape Cod is a peninsula, a piece of land almost surrounded by water or extending far out into the water. The Cape, as it is commonly known, is home to tourists during the warm summer months. Its location and climate have made it one of the most well-known fishing areas in the world. Thousands of vacationers visit New Jersey shore every year. Many come to enjoy the warm sandy beaches on the Atlantic coast. All along the beaches in the summer, vacationers play volleyball, swim in the warm waters of the Atlantic, or just gather to relax in the sun. From famous Atlantic City to beautiful Cape May, the New Jersey coastline is known as the Shore. Isn't the Northeast coastline also very interesting? Definitely. Now you are ready to answer some questions about Lesson 1. Go back to your Northeast file that you made copy of and proceed to the next activity. Oops, but before that, I wanted to share some of my family's travel along the Northeast coastline. And yes, my family gave their consent for me to use the pictures, so enjoy! Life is beautiful, and the world is a huge planet to explore. So go out and see the world. Bye!